Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing another unboxing and I'm unboxing a Sakura Swirl Hobobe. Yay! Can't contain the excitement. I'm gonna try, but oh god, I'm so excited. When I was unboxing the Jujube Be Supplied, I had mentioned that for the rose gold release I wanted a Hobobe, but I changed my mind and went with the Be Supplied because I wanted a bigger bag so I could have more of the print on it. But that bag was, I didn't love it, so I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna get a Hobobe now? And I found a mom on the BST and she had one, and the whole time I'm talking to her, I had no idea she was Perpetual Mommy on YouTube. So, like, mind blown. When I talk to other YouTubers, I'm just like, ah, I totally watch you. You guys helped me so much. So, yeah. So, thank you so much for sending this my way. And if you guys haven't heard of her, I mean, I'm sure you guys have, it's Perpetual Mommy, but I'm still gonna link her down below so you can check out her channel. I can't thank you enough if you're watching this. You know, I've said it so many times and I could say thank you 10 more times in this video and it still won't, you know, express how grateful I am. So thank you so much. Okay, let's do it. The Hobobe, you guys, is my favorite Jujube bag for sure. So the Hobobe and my favorite print, I can't wait. Yay! Oh my god. You guys, it's freaking beautiful. Oh, yay. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. Yes! Oh, Hobobe is my favorite diaper bag by Jujube, and I also like their change pad. I know it's not like the memory foam kind, it's thinner, but I like it. It's so much more compact. Oh snap. So pretty. I haven't decided if I want to attempt to custom with this or just use it as my change pad. I mean, that is the cutest change pad ever. Oh gosh. Gosh, I love the Hobobe. It looks small, but it holds so much. All that space in there and the organization. I love that I don't have to use pouches with the Hobobe. And I love this mommy pocket. Gosh, I love everything about the Hobobe. And it's in my favorite print. Back pocket. Freaking love it. I already have my bag packed up for today. I'm debating if I should throw everything in here. I love it so much. Okay, that is my unboxing, you guys. I finally have a Hobobe and Sakura Swirl. Yes! Thank you so much, Jennifer. Thank you so much. Again, I'm gonna link her down below and you can head over there and check her out. It feels so weird saying that because I'm sure you guys already are. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Subscribe to be notified of future videos when I pack her up and other videos in the future. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!